Meaning of gold card.
Gold card.
Gold card.
Gold card.
Gold card. The term gold card can have different meanings depending on the context. In the financial industry, it could refer to a credit card that offers premium benefits and rewards for high-spending customers. In immigration policies, a gold card may refer to a permanent residency permit that grants the holder extended rights to live and work in a country. Additionally, in the corporate world, a gold card may represent recognition or status given to top-performing employees. Overall, the term gold card typically connotes exclusive membership, privileges, or recognition in various domains.